As part of intensified efforts to enforce road safety and discipline, East Khasi Hills Police carried out a special traffic enforcement drive during the intervening night of April 25th and 26th across Shillong city. The drive, conducted under the supervision of the Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills along with the SP City Traffic and additional SP Traffic, covered key areas including Sadara Laitumkra and Lumdingjuri. Officials said the operation was aimed at curbing traffic violations and unsafe road practices, particularly during night hours when such offences are more prevalent. Multiple Naka points were set up across the city to ensure coordinated checking. The enforcement teams targeted offences such as drunk driving, illegal modification of exhaust systems and lights, use of black tinted vehicle glasses, and carried out verification of documents under the Motor Vehicles Act. During the drive, police detected 194 violations and imposed fines totaling 2,46,000. More than 100 personnel, including traffic branch officials and officers in charge of various police stations, were deployed for the operation. Each Naka point was monitored by gazetted officers to ensure effective implementation. Police said the initiative reflects their continued commitment to strict enforcement with the aim of deterring violations and improving overall road safety in the district.